That's a swallow right there. Hi folks, my name's Abel James, and right now you're at Yellowstone National Park on top of Mammoth. You got some serious hydrothermal, geothermal activity going on because we're standing on top of a super volcano. The swallows are all around. There is so much wildlife here. You can see bison turds all over the place. They've got moose, elk, two kinds of bear, grizzly bear, black bear. This place is incredible. Whether you come for the mountains or you come for the crazy volcanic stuff that you can't really see anywhere else, there are actually in this park more than half of the world's geysers, which is almost impossible to understand. This morning I was walking around. 150 to 200 geysers are within 1 square mile by Old Faithful. So if you want bang for your buck, this place is cool. But also, it's at 7,000, 7,500 feet of elevation, and when you go over the passes, the mountain passes, even more than that. So you got to be prepared. Make sure you're in good shape. And any stairs you go down, you have to come back up. Now, fortunately, Allison and I live at 8,000 feet in Colorado, so we're ready to rock. Although, I will say the first time I came up in this type of elevation, closer to 10,000 feet, I got horrible altitude sickness. So make sure you hydrate and you take it nice and easy. But let me get out of your way so you can enjoy the view. Keep in mind, the colors that you see down here are from bacteria, more so than even minerals, as you might think coming from a volcano. But the bacteria are called thermophiles, and that basically means that they love the heat. If you look closely down there, you can see some action going on. It looks like it's sprinkling. Well, as always, folks, I'm Abel. You can always get more at abeljames.com. Don't forget to check out Yellowstone. Go exploring. Check out your national parks, your state parks, and just the places that are off the beaten path. You deserve it. We'll see you next time.